Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common problem, a locked Bosch Serie 6 washing machine. Specifically, the WAT283L8SN model. Don't worry, it happens. We'll guide you through simple steps to unlock it. Let's get started. First, check the obvious. Is the cycle completely finished? The machine might be locked as a safety feature until the cycle ends. Look at the display panel. Is there a timer counting down? Wait for it to reach 0. If the cycle is indeed over but the door is still locked, try the power cycle method. This is the easiest solution. Turn off the washing machine. You can do this by pressing the power button. Alternatively, unplug it from the wall. Wait for a few minutes. We recommend waiting at least 5 minutes. This allows the machine's internal components to reset. Plug the washing machine back in. Turn it on. Try opening the door again. If it still doesn't open, don't panic. There may be a water issue. The machine locks when water remains inside. Locate the drain hose. This is usually at the back of the machine, near the bottom. Place a shallow container under the drain hose. Carefully remove the drain hose plug. Let the water drain completely. Once all the water is drained, replace the plug. Try opening the door again. If the door remains locked, there might be a door lock malfunction. In this case, a manual override might be needed. This involves finding the emergency release pull. Look for a small plastic tab or door near the filter access panel. This is often located at the bottom front of the machine. Consult your user manual. The manual will have specific instructions for your model. It's crucial to follow the manual's guidance. Carefully pull the emergency release. This should manually unlock the door. If none of these steps work, it indicates a more significant problem. The door lock mechanism might be faulty. There might be an issue with the control board. In this instance, don't try to force the door open. Contact a qualified appliance repair technician. Forcing the door could cause damage. Damage will lead to more expensive repairs. Remember safety first. Never attempt repairs if you are not comfortable. Always consult the user manual for specific instructions. That concludes our guide on unlocking your Bosch Serie 6 washing machine. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more valuable content.